Hello and good afternoon. This is Nilanchal. Welcome you to IMS Media Bulletin. Here are the top stories from across the state. Institute of Life Sciences (ILS) Bhubaneswar today informed that 2 more cases of Omicron variant of COVID-19 have been detected in Odisha. The presence of Omicron variant of the virus was confirmed in the 2 persons following genome sequencing, said ILS. With this, the total tally of Omicron in Odisha has mounted to 4. Odisha reports 155 new COVID-19 positive cases, including 32 in the 0 to 18 age group. There are 91 in quarantine with the local contacts of 64 persons. COVID-19 has claimed 1 more life in the state today, raising the total death cases to 8,448 in numbers. Meanwhile, after detection of Omicron variant in Odisha, Director of Health Services Vijay Mahapatra has informed that the daily COVID test has been now upscaled to 70,000. On the other hand, 6 places so far have been declared as the containment zone in Bhubaneswar. Informing this, BMC Commissioner Sanjay Kumar Singh said Christmas and New Year will be celebrated in the capital city with strict adherence to COVID-19 norms. In a fast, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has announced 6,000 rupees of special COVID assistance for the newspaper hawkers. Protesting the despicable condition of National Highway 55, Private Bus Owners Association has suspended bus services between Bhubaneswar and Samalpur route for 18 hours from 6 am to 12 midnight today, demanding repair of the road. The association has also threatened to boycott NH 55 from January 1st if demands are not met. 12 places in Odisha recorded temperature below 10 degrees Celsius. Fulbani has been found to be the coldest place today at 5 degrees Celsius, followed by Daringibadi at 6.5, Jharsuguda 7.1, Titlagarh 7.3 and Sundargarh 7.5 degrees Celsius. Short-range ballistic missile Pralay has been successfully test-fired again from Dr. EPJ Abdul Kalam Island off Balasar coast in Odisha at 9:35 am today. This is the second successful test of the missile in the last 24 hours, as yesterday it was also tested successfully. Government officials said it is also the first time in the country that a developmental missile has been tested successfully in 2 consecutive days. Over 400 post-graduation students today staged a peaceful dharana on SCB Medical College Hospital premises and demanded the expedite the counselling process. The agitators have launched a siege war protest over delay in NEET PG counselling. Health services in the hospital have been found severely affected. NEET PG counselling 2021 was scheduled to be conducted from October 25 but was postponed after the Supreme Court's direction. Body of a woman has been found in a sack inside a house in Kunjakoti village under Ersama police limits of Jagatsinghpur district. The deceased was identified as Tulasi Mandal, a resident of Bedi village. It is suspected that the woman has been murdered and her body has been stuffed in a sack. However, the exact reason behind the death is yet to be ascertained. Police said that the investigation is underway. Now here is a top sports story for the state. Hockey Odisha has defeated Hockey Bihar by 4-1 goals to reach the semi-finals in 11th Hockey India Men National Championship 2021. Hockey Chandigarh has also stunned neighbours Hockey Punjab by 3-2 goals to set up a semi-final clash with Hockey Association of Odisha here at Kovilpatti in Tamil Nadu. These are all from IMS Media Bulletin. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.